VLC Media Player can do a lot more than simply play videos. In this quick guide, I'll show you the essential VLC features you should know in 2026, from opening media and subtitles to playback controls, playlists, and converting files. First, open VLC and select Media, then Open File. Choose your video or audio file and click Open. You can also simply drag a media file into the VLC window. VLC supports a wide range of common video and audio formats, so you usually don't need separate codec packs. Once your media starts playing, use the bottom controls to pause, resume, adjust the volume, and move through the timeline. For more control, open the playback menu. You can change playback speed, jump to a specific time, and even create bookmarks for important moments. Need subtitles. Open the subtitle menu and select your subtitle track, or load an external subtitle file. If the video has multiple audio tracks, use the audio menu to switch between them. And yeah, VLC also lets you adjust subtitle timing when the text doesn't quite match the dialogue. Next, check the video menu. Here you can switch to full screen, change the aspect ratio, crop or zoom the picture, and take a screenshot of the current frame. So if your video doesn't look right on screen, these controls can quickly fix the presentation. To play several files in sequence, open the playlist view and add your media files. You can arrange the order and let VLC move from one file to the next automatically. This is especially useful for music, tutorials, or a folder of videos. VLC can also convert media files. Go to Media, then Convert or Save. Add the file, choose a conversion profile, select where you want the new file saved, and click Start. VLC will process the media and create the converted version in your chosen location. Finally, open Tools and Preferences to customize VLC. You can adjust audio, video, subtitles, interface settings, and other playback options. Don't worry about changing everything at once. Start with the settings you actually need. And that's the basic VLC workflow. Open your media, control playback, manage subtitles and audio, build playlists, and convert files when needed. Once you get familiar with these tools, VLC becomes a surprisingly powerful media player.